You have to try this chicken. This amazing.
Today I am going to make crispy chicken wings fry in air fryer. First I am going to add some ginger garlic paste. That is your choice. I am going to add some coriander powder. Coriander powder.
Make
Red chili powder. Red chili powder. And I am going to add some jeera powder. This is all my homemade masalas. And now I am going to add one special powder, crispy fried garlic flavor, crispy fried. This is also garlic flavor. I'm going to add some sauce, tomato sauce. This much. This is up to you how much you want to add. I am using my hand so that I can mix it thoroughly. Just spray like this. Little oil on your chicken wings. Just air fryer.
look.
Wow, it's looking yum.